Welcome to Simplified on YouTube, where we answer big questions with simple answers. Want to unlock hidden cash in your budget starting today? Whether you're earning just enough to get by or building long-term wealth, smart budgeting can help you take control. Today, we're breaking down the best budgeting apps for every income level, so you can stretch your dollar no matter where you're starting from. The first apps we will discuss are for low-income or tight budgets. If your income is limited or you're living paycheck to paycheck, simplicity is key. EveryDollar is a great place to start. This app is created by Ramsey Solutions, which is owned by personal finance expert Dave Ramsey. It's free, easy to use, and based on the zero-based budgeting method. That means every dollar you earn is assigned a job, from rent, groceries, to savings, so nothing slips through the cracks. You can start by downloading the EveryDollar app from the App Store or Google Play and begin setting up your first budget in minutes. Another solid option is Goodbudget, made by Dayspring Technologies. Unlike most apps, Goodbudget is envelope-based, which is great if you like separating your spending into categories like cash envelopes. It's excellent for people who want to manually track expenses and share a budget with a partner. It's also available on both iOS and Android. These apps are especially useful if you're working with a limited income and need clear visibility of what you can and can't spend each month. If your income is more stable or you're supporting a household, consider using YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. It's one of the most powerful budgeting apps on the market. It doesn't just track spending, it teaches you how to plan ahead, save for unexpected expenses, and build financial discipline. YNAB is especially useful if you've tried other budgeting apps and still struggle with sticking to a plan. They offer a free trial, and it's available on desktop, Android, and iOS. It does have a paid subscription, but many users say it pays for itself in what they save. For a more automated approach, try PocketGuard. It connects to your bank accounts and shows you exactly how much you have left to spend after bills, savings, and goals are factored in. It's easy to set up, especially if you don't want to manually enter transactions. Download it for free on iOS or Android and link your accounts to get started. These apps are ideal for people who want a balance between automation and control. If you have multiple income streams, investments, or long-term goals, your budgeting needs are more complex. Monarch Money offers a clean dashboard that lets you track everything from your checking account to your stock portfolio. It's designed for people managing family finances or growing wealth, and it supports shared household budgeting as well. You can access it on desktop and mobile by downloading the app or signing up on their website. Tiller's Money is another excellent tool, especially if you love spreadsheets. It automatically pulls data into a Google Sheets template that you can customize. It's great for detail-oriented users and offers a free trial through their website. For those focused on building net worth, Empower, formerly known as Personal Capital, is a powerful option. It tracks your spending, savings, investments, and even retirement planning, all in one app. It's especially helpful for high earners looking to grow and protect their wealth. You can get it free on iOS, Android, or through their desktop site. No matter your income, there's a budgeting tool that can help you feel more in control. Some are hands-on, some are fully automated, but all of them are designed to give you peace of mind and financial clarity. Start where you are with what you have. The best budgeting app is the one that helps you take action. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Simplified for more practical, easy-to-follow tips on personal growth, mindset, and money.